Hi, do you speak English?
Yes, a little bit.
Yes. My name is Samuel.
Yeah.
I'm a photographer. I take photos of people for free.
Okay.
And I think you guys look lovely. I just wanted to ask you if you'd like a quick free photo.
Yes.
What's your names?
Arish and Pierre.
Pierre.
How long have you guys been together?
We are not together.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So you're friends?
Yes.
Yeah, je sais pas.
Okay. Can you have your hands like this? Yes, beautiful. Beautiful. Can you look over there? Perfect. Let me show you. I just have one question.
Yeah.
Okay.
What makes you happy in life?
Pierre.
Ah,
Okay.
Oh wow.
it's beautiful.
It's cute.
Yeah.